Hello student, today we will going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 3, managing files and folder. In this chapter we will going to learn about how to manage our files and folder, means how to create a file or folder, how to copy and move it, how to delete it, after deleting how to restore it, how to find our particular file and folder, and how to customize on the desktop. Before going to start, we also going to learn about the about the Windows and feature of Windows. These 2 points we had already completed in class 4th also, but let's revise it very quickly. Student, you know that Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. It also manages the resources of a computer system and provide a common services for other software. The first graphical user interface edition of Windows was Windows 95. After that many versions came. Some are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows 7, 8, etc. But Windows 13 is the latest version of Windows. Second point of this chapter is feature of Windows 7. Under this topic, we will going to learn about some features of Windows 7. Though we had already completed this topic in class 4, but let's revise it. The first feature of Windows 7 are it is easy to use and learn. It is faster, more reliable and secure. Here the word reliable means we can trust the result whatever given by it. Means the answer is accurate whatever we get on the desktop or output device. Second is better memory management, as it manages all the memory in a definite way. Means it separate the memory in 2 parts, in 2 drive, first internal drive and second external drive, so that we can manage the battery backup. Second, more personal, means we can decorate our desktop with new theme, slideshow or handy gadgets. Some features are also provided by it which are very unique. First is jump list. These features help you to directly visit a particular document, pictures, songs or website which you recently visited. Second feature is arrow pick feature, which make your open windows transparent with the desktop button which is provided at the right end of the taskbar. Besides this, it supports the multitasking, means at the same time we can do 2 things, such as we can work on Microsoft Word and similar time we can enjoy music from the help of multimedia player. These are the features of Windows 7. Now come to the another topic, that is using desktop. The word desktop is derived from the real life desktop, the top of your study table. The study table, top of the study table is also known as desktop, where you may keep your pen stand, notepad, calculator, files, etc. The desktop of Windows serve the same purpose. Means here you can also find various icons like objects, shortcut icons, documents, disk drive icons, etc. Taskbar. Taskbar, you can find the taskbar at the bottom of the screen that display the start button on the extremely left corner. The middle area of the taskbar is known as quick launch bar, and the right side of the area is known as notification area, where you get a clock, a group of icons such as network connectivity, incoming mails, battery status, volume, etc. Now, icons. Icons are the small pictures that represent file, folders or program. It is the definition of icons. Icons are the small pictures that represent any files, folders or program. Let's discuss some important icons which you commonly find on the desktop. First icon is computer icon. You already seen this icon, a computer picture is there. When you double click on this icon, you view all the available drives and their content stored on the computer system. Means whatever contains, whatever programs, file or folder which is already stored on your computer system, you can get this in a list by dividing into two drives. First, D drive, which is the external storage device, and second is the drive which is internal storage. Now second icon is application icon. By the help of this icon, you can quickly access any related application. For example, suppose you want to visit Microsoft Word, then just click on the application icon of the Word, and the picture is written over capital W. When you double click on that icon, your Microsoft Word is open, and you can quickly access on that related application and start your work. Similarly, there are many application icons such as PowerPoint presentation icon, Microsoft Excel, all this application icon you can find in Microsoft Office. Now, shortcut icon. A shortcut icon is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document or a program. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. When you click on that jump arrow, you can go to any document or folder which you want to visit. Document icon. The active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which you get placed on the text bar. You can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon. Network. It allows you to access the share files or drive or device on different computer in the network environment. Means you can share your file and folder by the help of this network icon. Recycle bit. It is also an icon, very popular icon, where you can it holds the deleted file or folder. The deleted file and folder can be restored to the original location from the recycle bin. Now come to the Window Explorer. Window Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. Drives means storage drives. That is the external storage device, which suppose you insert any pen drive to your laptop, it also provided Window Explorer provide the detail of that pen drive. Means Window Explorer is an application that provide detailed information about any file, folders or drive. It offers you to manage and organize your files and folder. You can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename and search file and folder. Means for creating, deleting, copy, moving, rename or searching purpose of any file and folder, you can use Window Explorer. Now, how can you open Window Explorer? There are some steps. First, click on the Start button. Then, click on All Programs. You find a sub list where click on the Accessories, where you get Window Explorer option. Click over there. Window Explorer is open. Then write the particular file or folder which you want to visit and you get that folder or files. There is another step which is a shortcut step to open the Window Explorer. That is, first click on the Start button, then select Computer option. From the right panel, the Window Explorer is appear. Now, after that, view the content. To view the contents of any file or folder, simply double click on it. Means if you want to view any file or folder, the container. Here, what do you mean by folder? Folder is a bag, is a cabinet where various files are kept. Suppose you want to view your folder, that which kinds of files are kept inside it, then how you go to find, how you go by simply double click on that folder. You can change the layout of the file and folder using this button, this view button present on the toolbar. Now, copy a file or folder. Copy a file and folder means to create a duplicate copy of a selected file or folder. There are some steps to copy a file or a folder. First, double click on the computer icon. Then after, when you double click on the computer icon, it displays the hard disk drive, CD, DVD drive, removable devices, etc. Where you also get the D drive icons. Double click on that icon. It displays all the files and folder stored in it. Select any file or folder which you want to copy. When you copy it, click on the Organize button and select the copy option from the drop down menu. Choose the location where you want to place the copied file. Then click on the Paste option from that drop down menu. Here you create the duplicate of that file. Now, renaming a file or a folder. Student, we will continue from this topic from the next video. Very soon I will upload the next video. Till here we just complete copying a file and folder. You revise and read the chapter again, and if you have any problem then ask to me. Thank you.